ya Harafen. Katika uga huu
They must have come here really feeling, oh, we are the under-19 creme de la creme from the Talanta Hela tournament. We must really be on top of the world. Then you come here, then you realize the world is a lot bigger than Kenya.
When people in Kenya realize that bringing players here is the right choice because they improve and people are looking at them and they have more opportunities, I'm sure that the people in Kenya are going to realize that this is the right choice to be. And once they know our methodology and the way we work, I'm sure that the people that follow us is going to get better.